Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For our today's recipe, we'll be making moi-moi and cauliflower fried rice. A combination of these two recipes is just filling enough for a dinner, but at the same time doesn't have the much carbs that can be found in maybe rice or any other thing, normal food we cook, okay? For the cauliflower fried rice, we'll be needing these 2 heads of cauliflower. I'll go ahead and rice it in a bit. If you want to see a detailed video on how I achieved this, please check in the description box, or on the screen now will pop up my video on how I made cauliflower pizza. That might be helpful, okay? It's also a low-carb meal. Without wasting time, guys, let's go ahead and blend our already washed beans, okay? We need our ginger, peppers and onions, crayfish, Maggi. I have a detailed video on how I make moi-moi. Just follow the same steps in the video that will pop up on your screen right now, okay? But the difference is that in this particular moi-moi, I'm gonna be cooking it with foil paper, okay? Instead of the oven method. First, I'll put some water in this pot and line it with some foil paper, kind of a DIY steamer, okay? Then I'll show you how I prepare the foil papers. Basically, I measure out, let me give you an idea of the length, and the weight is something like this. Yes, so basically we form a pocket with this. So we just close the 3 sides of it, sorry, 2 sides of it, the longer part and then this the bottom part, leaving an opening at the top for pouring in the moi-moi. So just like when you are using oma leaves or banana leaves, you want to pour in not too much of the batter at a time. You want to leave some space at the top, then fold it like this, and kind of just seal the top, seal it very well, and then go ahead and seal in the bottom part like this, okay? Yes, guys. So the moi-moi is all lined in the pot now, and on the sides I left some space for adding a little bit of water at a time. So you want to be checking this while it cooks to be sure it doesn't dry out. You top up water as you cook. I just covered it and cooked that for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until the moi-moi was done, okay? Meanwhile, I'll just be keeping the leftover foil paper for use next time. Now we'll be making the fried rice while the moi-moi cooks, okay? On the screen now we pop the ingredients we'll be using, okay? I'm going to add some salt to this chicken and begin to stir fry it, after which I'll add the bacon as well. Guys, so the rest of the cooking process from here, guys, I would want you to just enjoy the cooking sound. I would be dropping descriptions of what I'm doing as we go on. Enjoy. Before I leave you again, please note that I didn't add any oil while starting the stir frying process. Okay, I just added my cauliflower directly into the pan. Yeah, so we're gonna be frying it just like we do fried rice, but without adding oil. We're just gonna be stir frying until the veggies become translucent and yummy looking. Okay, yes, enjoy. I'm back again. Please taste for salt as you cook, okay? Yeah, the stir fry process takes somewhere between 6-8 minutes. Yeah, but just a stir fry until the veggies look like your fried rice, okay? Until they are cooked but not mushy, okay? This is important, guys. I used only a few crumbs of this nut cube. Yeah, see, I didn't use so much. Okay, yeah, because I'm tasting as I'm cooking. Do same. So at this point, this batch was ready, so I'll just pour it out and proceed with the last batch. Okay. The rice gets its color from the spring onion sauce, the soy sauce, and the curry powders. It looks beautiful. At this point, the cauliflower fried rice is ready, and this is what it's looking like. Looks a little bit like couscous. Yeah, on looking at it from afar, you wouldn't really know that it's not normal rice. At this point too, our moi-moi was ready, and I allowed it to cool before dishing. Guys, this combination was just everything I needed. And as always, I've shared with us, do grab yours if you need something like this. You can also make it a side dish or go ahead and just enjoy this alone. I mean the cauliflower rice. Yes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we talk soon.